Yeah, Zach's here.
2.7. Solving equations. I did actually see him this morning.
I saw him today. I was talking to him. I was talking to him about the game.
In one variable.
My mom said that she'll bring everything today after school. The fun dip and the cookie dip.
Okay, sounds good.
And the fans.
Does she have a key to get in there? I guess technically if she's an all-star and she puts it in there, they're not inclined to throw it away.
I can write all stars on the box. No one will ever know. We could do all stars / junior class.
It's true.
Or don't throw away because this is
Or
my stuff.
don't throw away.
Junior class fundraiser.
Yeah.
I mean, I just don't really understand why you throw something away that's not yours in the first place, but.
It was literally, I had,
2 things of ice cream.
yeah, ice cream in there.
Oh my gosh, that was from volleyball, right?
Yeah.
That's so
We walked in one day and I was just sitting there.
Because I was leaving it there because I was going to, just let y'all get ice cream again one day, and then they threw it away.
That's weird.
I was very
Didn't we
irritated.
get to save one of them?
But I don't know. It wasn't All-Stars that threw it away. That was somebody else that threw it away. I don't know. The whole freezer was open and defrosted, and everything was thrown away. Literally everything. It was like, that was rude. Especially because my name was on it. Whatever. Okay. So extraneous solutions. Are solutions that are not actually solutions of the original equation
Why would I be nervous?
Because you are nervous.
and rational equations f of x over g of x is equal to 0. So the keyword for this section is check. When you get answers, you have to check them and see if they work. Okay, because sometimes a solution might not actually work. Okay, hence the extraneous solution thing. You could?
I don't know. I think something's wrong. Yes, that's true. But I'm actually serious this
No,
time.
seriously, I swear, every single day, we'll be in the car and she'll be like, I don't feel good all of a sudden.
I think
And I'm
something's
like-
wrong.
Okay? She's like, my stomach hurts. My head hurts. My throat hurts.
Okay, I don't have
I've been quiet today. I'm sleepy.
I'm sad. I'm mad. I'm happy.
Well, I hope I'm the
Your mood changes like 3 times a day.
I said that to Alyssa today. I said you're my favorite.
Right
Alyssa.
now,
I
I'm
said,
like
but
that
That's like a true statement.
green
I
face
was like,
emoji.
I know like 4
Ah, nice.
Oh,
All right. Number 2.
Oh wait, already? Cool.
Solve the equation algebraically. Support your answer numerically and identify any extraneous solutions. That means solve and check. That's all it means.
Yep.
Did you grade our quizzes yet?
No.
Yeah, that's good because I failed it.
X plus 2 is equal to 15 over x.
Alright.
Suggestions. I need to get x by itself.
Multiply by 15. Wait, no, don't do that. Why? Why would you do that? You would not do that. You multiply by x.
What by x?
Both sides.
Both sides by x. So x squared plus 2x equals 15. Can move the 15 over. X squared plus 2x. Hello. Minus 15 equals 0. And then factor. What does that factor into?
Positive 3 and negative 5. Wait, switch it.
X plus 5, x minus 3.
Sorry, in my brain I put them in a different order.
You ever get confused and then you're like, why am I in this class?
Yeah, a lot.
Whenever we take a quiz.
Alright, x plus 5 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0, so x equals negative 5, x equals 3. Does that mean that those are both solutions that work? No, we have to check it. So, and you have to check both numbers. You can't just pick one of them. So, negative 5 plus 2 is equal to 15 over negative 5. So, that is negative 3 is equal to negative 3. Okay, you can't move stuff to the left and right. It's got to be left side equals right side. Okay, if you move stuff, then it's going to make it look like it's right, even though it might not be. Plug in 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 15 over 3.
No.
5 equals 5.
Yay, they both work. It's awesome.
So they both work.
Oh, I'm just dumb.
You have to factor. Sorry, I'm a little lost.
Wait, no, isn't it supposed to be a 5? I'm literally so stupid. Just forget everything I just said. You have to put the same number in those spots. Well, that's pretty easy. Nice fact that I can't add in most spots.
So is that like all of them?
No.
I don't know that.
3 over x minus 1 plus 2 over x equals 8.
Oh my god. I have no idea where to start.
Okay.
Just being honest here.
Well, if we multiplied by x again, you could. No, never mind. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Is this where you do like the thing where you switch the thingy?
What?
It's like when you make it a factor, but no, that's when you have eyes, right?
So could you multiply it by like x plus 1 over x plus 1? Okay. No, because it equals.
You can, but it's not going to help the...
If you multiply both by x, you can't do that, can you? Would it get rid of the
It's not going to help you. What do you typically need to do if you have fractions and you want to add or subtract them?
Oh, you have to have the same denominator.
Okay, you got to have a common denominator.
Could you bring the one to the top? I don't know.
Okay, no, you cannot do that. Common denominator. How am I going to get a common denominator?
You can't just put minus 1.
You have to multiply by x minus 1.
My 1.
Where?
Right?
Both.
Nope.
Wait.
Can
No,
you-
wait. You have to multiply x.
If I gave you...
You
I
have to
can't.
multiply x on the left side and x minus 1 on the right side.
Yeah.
Are you saying?
If I gave you that, ignore this. How would you solve that?
Put 2 on the left and 3 on the right.
You would.
What do you mean?
You would multiply one side by 2 and another one by 3. Or like, well, not one side, but like, yeah. Yeah, that.
Teach me your governing water. Stop. So gross. Oh my gosh. That makes me more nauseous than I
Right?
Yeah.
am. I just am. I mean.
So then what do I need to do with this
So
one?
you're going to multiply x on the left side and x minus 1 on the right side.
I forgot we had chapel today because I'm an idiot, but yeah.
Alright, so then 3x plus, now I can combine this up on the top, 2x, oops, hello, minus 2, all over the bottom, x squared minus x.
This is kind of weird. I don't really think this is chill, man.
5x minus 2 over x squared minus x is equal to 8.
How the heck? Oh, never mind. We're done.
I'm confused. No, I'm not. So now are you going to multiply the top by x squared minus x?
Not the
Plus x.
top.
Well, both sides.
Plus x.
So 5x minus 2 is equal to 8x squared minus 8x. 0 equals 8x squared minus 13x plus 2. And then we need to see if that's
I don't
factorable.
understand why you did on the side.
That was just an example.
Oh, okay.
Like, just to show you how to multiply the
So what should I do instead?
Was that on the quiz yesterday?
No, I don't think so. I just
don't
think
think
it's-
so.
She used it.
Yeah, because I couldn't figure it out, and I lost. I know number
Are you
6
talking
is
about
wrong.
number
I
6?
couldn't figure
Are
it
you
out.
talking about number 6? I used a
No.
quadratic formula.
I
and then
graphed
did the
it
thing with the
twice, and I
numbers.
came up with
You
2
did
different
graph it?
graphs on my calculator. I came up with 2 different graphs, so I didn't know what to do. So I just panicked and just did
I
something.
graphed it and it looked, none of the numbers fit. And then I did the testing thing and it didn't work either, so I just like erased it and hoped for the best.
Yeah.
Negative b plus or minus the
All right.
square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. That is the quadratic formula.
That was the ugliest thing I've ever drawn. Oh my gosh, I can't erase it either. It's like from.
Wait, we use quadratic instead because it works.
We haven't had chop on like 4 weeks. No, we haven't had chop in like oh, never mind, it's only been a week.
Wait,
Possibly.
we had chapel last week?
Not last week, the week before.
How
Was
are
I
you
even here
multiplying?
that week?
Probably not.
Oh, I also wrote the wrong numbers down.
I haven't.
No, I haven't. Is that all? Please tell me that's it.
We have to check it.
Oh,
You have to put
Stop
that in.
it. Oh my gosh.
She said,
I'm about to die.
stop it.
Can you
I'm not
literally just
praising
put that in the
William right
calculator like
now.
straight
I
up?
am not praising
Huh?
William.
Like, could I put that in the calculator
Terrible.
straight up? Like, with parentheses? Like, if I didn't want to do the work, I could just put it in the calculator and it would work?
My mom is literally on her way. She don't understand that chapel doesn't start for another like 45 minutes.
I don't know when my mom.
Chapel starts at 9:15, but I
30 minutes.
told them they probably should come early so they can get in and not miss
I
it.
wonder if my mom is coming.
I wonder if they're gonna stay for the actual chapel.
She wanted
She's
to.
at home,
Who's
so
preaching?
her pastor.
Oh yeah.
They should
They
stay.
might stay.
Berkeley, she wanted to ask you what time it was.
I just told her what time it was.
What is it? What time
I
is
told
it?
her what time it was too.
I want tropical smoothie.
That sounds
Okay.
good.
I would like no food. No.
I really feel like.
So is anybody gonna check this
Oh.
or?
Oh,
Yeah.
how do
I
you?
just,
How are we gonna do
We
that?
also
I
this thing.
couldn't tell you how to do this.
Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your calculator out, a handy dandy calculator.
Well, first of all, you can tell me what these decimals are.
Excuse me?
What's the next
What?
one?
Also on the test, I came up with a mixed number, and I could not for the life of me figure out how to not make a mixed number. So I was like, whatever.
You multiply the bottom by
For the quiz.
number
Yeah.
on the left, and then you add the numbers.
I knew that after I turned it in. Happens to me all the
Okay.
time.
So
Oh my gosh. Okay.
5, 13 plus the square root.
Okay, I got 1.45 for the first one.
Divided by 16.
Stop using that expression. That's nasty. Was that your elbow or your shoulder?
I've never thought there was something wrong with it until last night at the gym because I was doing like a shoulder workout and it hurt really, really bad. So I think there might actually be something wrong with my arm, but it only hurts when I'm working out. So
There's something missing. I swear.
Alright,
You
wait,
can
1.7.
hear- You
What?
can hear things
0.17.
grinding. That's not normal. You don't hear that?
I do for that.
so then
It's like
plug it in.
gross. Okay, can someone tell me why I got what I got?
You plug it in for X.
Yeah.
From the original equation. So we're allowed to change to decimal. That helps a little bit.
Get your calculator out so you can put it as a decimal.
You know what doesn't help?
Doing things wrong in your calculator.
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome to my world.
I'll have it.
I cannot believe.
I didn't take the calculator.
Okay,
Hey,
but I
Casey
put it in
didn't
my
use mine.
calculator really.
Okay.
It's close enough that I would say that it's fine.
You know what I wish they had?
Because
in
it's
here?
not very far off.
A space.
We're going to count it.
Can you tell me how you put that in your calculator to get that? Because I got two.
Okay, so I did it separately. I did the
To do
3
each piece individually.
divided by, in parentheses, 1.45 minus 1, end parentheses, and then I got that. And then I hit the plus button, 2 divided by 1.45, and then I hit enter, and then I got
Good job,
the
Chase.
Like, do you just want to look at my calculator?
No, I got it. I did not type in like that. I just put random parentheses wherever.
Well, you can try this one now. Let's check both.
This is such a mess.
I got 8.15.
I also got that.
Nah, that one's probably close enough too. We'll count it. They're, I mean, like decimal wise, like they're, if you round them, they're the same, so.
Practically.
Since you have, I mean, the quadratic form, since you use the quadratic formula and you had decimals to start with, because, like, I'm assuming these are rounded numbers. I doubt it just came out to be 1.45.
Yeah, they are.
Whereas if you actually used the original number, it might make it exactly equal, so. All right, number 10.
You just like overlay them. It doesn't all appear on the same screen.
No.
I'm going to have you guys try 10 on your own.
Oh my.
That's not a good idea, but okay.
X plus 6 over x equals negative 7.
Okay, so the same thing, we need x by itself. Okay.
Sorry, it was getting blurry, so I was trying to focus. It's basically just like this one.
No.
Don't ask me because I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm totally doing this probably in the most unorthodox way.
That is not how a 7 is supposed to look. Okay, I kind of can't remember how to do it.
Is it not on your iPad?
This is kind of
Ew.
it's a plus sign.
How the cheese balls are you supposed to get 2 answers from this? I've done forgot everything we were doing. I'm so confused. What are you doing? Oh, you have to put in the formula? I don't know what I'm doing.
You're not putting in the formula, you're
I'm
factoring.
so confused. Oh, yes, that is correct. You were right, Berkeley.
I know.
She usually not other.
That was really.
So is x squared plus 6 minus 7x equals 0?
Did you all eat the same thing?
Yeah, well, no.
I don't know. I feel like
I
I'm
had a
dying.
bagel and a smoothie, and they have an.
Yes, I'm
I
correct.
really feel like I'm gonna throw up. I think we
But
have to
it's
be close.
because I had cream cheese on my bagel and there's yogurt in my smoothie, and so the dairy is kind of.
Are you allergic or
I feel
semi-allergic?
like down. I just jumped up and down.
I feel like I'm
So
gonna throw
my
up.
stomach hurts, but I'll be fine.
Just taking lactate back now.
This happens all the time.
It's just like one of those things that I don't really think about it, and I don't really care until after I've eaten it.
I just
and
broke
I
my
don't- I
eraser.
feel
That was so
terrible.
helpful.
That's fair.
You know,
Well, I tried.
I checked.
It is 6 and 1.
But also you have to factor them after you know it. Like, after you
I
know the
did
problem,
it.
you put the factor. Okay,
I
now
don't
we're-
know. I don't know what I'm doing.
So you gotta do x squared minus 7.
Garrett, you got your work over there?
You're gonna move the 7 x
Huh?
to the right spot.
I have paper,
Move
but
the
I
7
can't
x
see
to
the
the
board.
right side.
So-
Well, then move right here so you can see the board.
Like that.
Yep. And then you're gonna look at the
Okay, I got
factors
it.
of 6 and you're gonna look and see what gives you 7.
Good job, Brady.
6 and 1.
Thank you.
Squared
I really appreciate it.
minus 6
But also it's
x.
positive 7, not negative 7.
I write so
Because you're gonna
big.
get from
Look
the right
how
to the left.
big I write. Like, literally.
So 6x plus
I know, I kind of want to know what my handwriting would be on that thing.
Well, you're just gonna do
Just write on the side. I don't
X.
care. I can always-
plus 6 and x plus x.
For sure, right?
Or 1. X plus 1.
I want purple. I don't know my handwriting. Can I put my hand down? I'll
Yeah.
And then you're gonna make it x equals, so you're gonna have x equals negative 1 and x equals negative 6.
That's so much fun.
And then
check it.
you're gonna check it. You're gonna plug it in the problem.
My handwriting's really bad.
It takes some practice.
It's fun.
My lines still aren't straight even when I try.
Acid around.
Yours feels lighter than the next one you did.
That's weird. You have the exact same iPhone.
It might be having a hard time holding the That's perfect. What's occurring?
Wait, what problem do you have? Very
Oh,
original?
yours is different
very
than
original.
Taylor.
Huh?
You have it to where the eraser actually erases, and it's not like erases the whole line. How'd you do? You need the teeth from that. It's fine.
Something is wrong.
If you still feel bad 20 minutes after chapel, then I'll be concerned. But I'm feeling like after chapel and you've had some time for your nerves to calm down, then you'll be fine.
I don't have
Jesus
nerves.
for a little bit, I think.
Everything will be fine.
What? You know my biggest fear is?
Throwing up everywhere.
You know, like you calling me up there to throw up in front of the entire school. Like, I'm literally never coming back if that happens. I am never coming back. Do you understand? Never. Except Tabitha did it, but she's also in 4th grade, so it's different.
If you throw up, you're cleaning it up.
No. Well, yeah,
We're gonna
they can give me the sawdust stuff. Put it down.
Can't do that on carpet.
I don't know. I don't think I could do
You know, if you go the other way to like the choir room behind the piano, there's a really big like greenish yellow spot on the red carpet, and that's from where someone threw up and they had to bleach it.
Does that not look like a dog?
Why do so many people throw up in that sanctuary?
Because they look at the
The red carpet. Yeah.
That's why I told
Need
when
some
somebody was
color.
like, you asked me if you should wear a red dress or not, and I told you
Yeah.
no because you
Yeah.
blend in with the rest of the
That
sanctuary.
was her.
Okay, so it's x squared plus x equals 7x.
I'm waiting for Garrett.
I'm probably gonna feel a lot better on this.
Yeah.
too.
See, Taylor, it looks like a horse.
How does that look like a? Does this look like a horse to you?
Yes.
Well, from over here, it kind of looks like a husky, but
No problem. It's a dog. It
or a
has
German Shepherd, but it's really small and you're way over there. So
That looks like
horse ears are
that
up
looks
here.
like a mane.
Horse has ears up here like this.
Some dogs have horse ears.
That looks like a unicorn now.
Berkeley, I'm not sure what's going on, but I am not seeing the dog.
How did? Does it not look like a dog?
It literally looks like
oh, so I was right.
It kind
It
of
is
looks
a
like
dog.
a dog
It is
person.
like a
It
dog
has dog
with
hair.
a horse.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a dog with hair.
Yeah.
A dog with hair?
Yeah. Dogs have fur, Taylor, not hair. They're the same thing, but
Can I use the bathroom after we do this problem?
You can, if you're gonna puke, you really can.
Yeah.
I'm
I
going
have
to
to
the
leave
bathroom.
by 9:05 for sure.
So how do you suppose I draw the ears?
Who's singing?
I don't know why I'm
Daddy
nervous.
broke
I
me,
shouldn't be
Nathan.
nervous.
That was a proper English speaker.
What?
I'm nervous for my pastor to speak. I should not be this nervous.
What?
I don't know
Why
why
did
I'm
you run to
nervous.
school and said, "Oh, my pastor's coming," and then you're.
Yeah, 'cause I literally told everyone.
He's fun though, so it'll be fine.
He is fun. My dad told him that he had to wear Jordans, and I was like, oh my gosh, Dad.
Good, we need fun.
Is your parents coming?
No, I told my dad that they could watch it live.
Oh, right.
This
I guess I
whole
forget
website.
there's a
Is
thing
it
called
just me,
Post.
or like if you listen to like even the church like Christine live, it sounds horrible, like absolutely horrible. The
Yeah,
main-
that's
the singing
most-
online, like when I
That's
watch it
most
virtually, is
stuff. Or most.
All right, what do we need to do?
You have to multiply x.
I
Oh no! So what I did actually is I
multiplied by
I moved the 7 to the other side. I switched 7 and 6x. Like so, then I had x plus 7 equals negative 6 over x.
So you just moved in, and are gonna have to move it back.
Basically, yeah. Because my brain couldn't comprehend what was happening.
I
But I
got
multiplied by x.
okay. I got the right answers because they worked, but like I think I solved it extra long.
Next is x squared plus x equals 7x.
That looks like a dino with a party hat.
Or you could just leave it.
I did. I did
And
something
then x
extra.
squared minus 7x plus x equals 0.
Can we not mention how I literally went through like 8 extra steps to get there because I
Wait.
multiplied by x over
Right, it's not
x?
a negative. Oh, it is a negative in the problem.
I literally multiplied by x over x and then like did the other steps like in the one above, but I got the right answer because I like got there, but like it took a lot of it.
Hold up, now
We're
my
sitting beside each other.
X
You're holding my
plus 1 and
X
x
plus
plus
one,
6.
I'm scared.
Now what?
And then x plus 6 equals 0 and x plus 1 equals 0 and then x equals negative 6 and x equals negative 1. And then you check them and they both equal negative 7 and you're like, yay! And then you're like, dang, I did a lot of extra steps like I did. Look, I did so many extra steps that were not necessary.
Yeah, I would love that.
You should come in here every day.
No, so much work.
That is so much work.
Like a few hours probably.
Sweet.
Well, homegirl doesn't. Oh, you're gonna like get volleyball. You're gonna be like, ah, how's your hair curled? Well, they might not notice. But they probably will because it's not gonna look like people.
All right, we're done.